ladies! Okay, so I'm here to talk to you about concealing dark circles under your eyes, and mine are nice and dark today, which I didn't do that on purpose, but they are. And then I've got some blemishes to conceal, and so I'm going to show you both of those. The first thing that I'm going to tell you is when it comes to concealer, there's two different ways to pick out your concealer color. If your main focus is going to be concealing the dark circles, you're going to want to go 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation color. If you're just concealing blemishes and you don't have the problems of dark circles, you're going to do the color of your foundation. So you're going to color match with your foundation. The first thing we're going to go over is dark circles, because lots and lots of women have these dark circles, and I am definitely one of them. So I wear satin foundation, and I actually like to go even lighter than 2 shades. So I'm actually going to be using Organza concealer for my dark circles. I do highly recommend about 2 shades if you're really wanting to counteract. You're going to take a little bit and put it on your hand. That's probably going to be way more than enough. And I highly recommend our concealer brush. You can apply with your finger, but I love the difference that the concealer brush makes. Okay, now for my biggest tip that I can tell you about dark circles under your eyes is we all normally just blot it right on the dark circle, correct? Wrong. Don't do that. Take your concealer on your brush. I just kind of brush a little bit on there, and you're going to fan it out from under your eye. And what that's going to do is help draw the light away from the dark circle and counteract the darkness under your eyes by using the 2 shades lighter. Okay? So I've got this fanned out, correct? My next tip and trick is take a blending bud or beauty bud. I like to use it with our rose water because it has the anti-inflammatory tendencies and healing properties. So that's going to help with any of the puffiness under the eye. Spritz your blending bud just to dampen it, and I kind of just dab it. And what I'm going to do is I actually just dab, and I'm just blending out this concealer. I'm not rubbing because I want the product to stay exactly where I put it, but I'm just blending that out, okay? So there you have it. Look at the difference under my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye for you, and I'll just let you watch. You're going to do this in a V motion, fan it out, draw that attention away from those dark circles. Blending bud. Blend it out. And there you have it, Houdini. You can also bring your concealer up to your top of your lid. It's like Houdini in a bottle. Okay, before I move on to showing you how to cover blemishes, I actually want to tell you some of the things that have made the world of difference in my dark circles and bags under my eyes. The first thing is this rose water. It gets applied to my face twice daily, once at night, once in the morning. It is my go-to. Amazing. If you've got severe bags under your eyes, take a cotton pad, spritz it with this, dampen it moistened enough, lay it on your eyes like you would, say, a cucumber, and that is going to make the world of difference in it. Now, the other thing I want to suggest that has changed my problem area of my eyes is this Uplift Eye Serum. Y'all, this stuff is specifically designed for your eyes, but you can use it all over your face and body. If you have got fine lines, wrinkles, bags, everything, this stuff is what they've nicknamed it Botox in a bottle. It is amazing, and 1 drop literally goes a long, long way. So this will last you forever, okay? Okay, now on to blemishes, right? Everyone's got blemishes from time to time, nothing to be ashamed about. You're normal, you're human, it's fine. So I actually use the shade Taffeta in my concealer because I just haven't ordered my summer color yet. And this stuff will last you forever and a year, so I'm just like, I'll just hold off because I already have 3 concealer shades, so I haven't ordered my actual match yet. So I just go ahead and use Taffeta. It's closest to it. There's 2 ways that you can do this that I suggest. First thing is same thing as we did with our dark circles under our eyes. You add a little dot to your hand, take your concealer brush, apply to the blemish, Okay? You're blending Bud with a spritz of rose water because rose water is just amazing for your skin. Soften the line and blend out. That's one way. Okay, the second way to show you how to cover blemishes is my absolute favorite because it makes your life a heck of a lot easier. It's like a shortcut. So, you're going to be putting your foundation on, correct? Why not do your concealing and your foundation, same application, same time? Why not? Okay, so you're going to take your concealer. You can either add small drops to it, or you can do like a light, barely squeeze this too, because you don't need a whole lot. Just a light layer all along your liquid foundation brush. You just lightly brush it onto your brush like that, okay? Then you're going to take your foundation and add it to your brush like you would normally. So I've got that on there. And then you're going to apply to your face. You're just going to dot like normal and blend like normal. The finish will be like normal, but you're getting added coverage. And unless you have a huge blemish, this will do perfectly for covering any blemishes that you need. It's amazing. So I'm just going to finish this out. I'm trying to hurry so this video isn't very long. But it's going to change your life, I promise. And there you have it.